YouTube? It's your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. In today's video is, as you see in the title down below, it is a Boxycharm unboxing. No, I did not get the boxyluxe because I didn't think it was worth my $50-something to get the boxyluxe. I mean, did you see the box? But make sure y'all check out my spoilers for January's Boxycharm. It is up in the cards, or I will put it down below. But make sure y'all go and check that out in case y'all are wondering what is in Boxycharm for next year. But y'all, if y'all don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 free shipping subscription, beauty subscription that you get monthly. You can pay ahead of time, 3 months, 6 months, a year. But I got the one that's $21, which is every month they charge me $21 to my card, and they send you 4 to 5 full size beauty items, okay? And they're now starting to range from skincare to hair care, makeup, everything beauty related. It will be in this box, okay? So if y'all are not, I have my link to Boxycharm. It is an affiliated link. If y'all want to check on it, by all means, go ahead. I don't know if I get a percentage off. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't know. It's a referral link, so I'm guessing if you join with mine, you get points, I get points, we get points, we buy stuff with our points. I don't know. So let's get into this month's Boxycharm. Okay, so let's get back to business. Okay, so this is the box. As y'all know, I feel like this box is smaller. Do I have any Boxycharm boxes? No, I threw them away. Okay, because I usually keep them around. But anyway, let's get into the box. It feels lighter. It looks smaller. I don't know about y'all. I don't know. But I already cut it open. So the theme for this month's Boxycharm, well, December's Boxycharm, is "'Tis the Sea Sun." Okay, "'Tis the Sea Sun." Looks like that. And on the back, if y'all are new to Boxycharm, it has all the products and their retail value listed down below. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just telling y'all this right now before we even get started with this. If y'all see some eye movement, some you know, I'm not into it, okay? I was not feeling this month's Boxycharm. I really feel like that they're kind of slacking just a little bit since they brought boxyluxe up in the mix. I don't know, but they need to fix it. Fix it, Boxycharm. Yo said fix it, honey. Okay, so first we are gonna pull out the Tarte glitter lip paint. It looks like this. Ta-da! Tarteist lip paint. Well, this is the glitter lip paint. This retails for $20. It says this sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. This reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigment coat, soothes, and softens the lips, okay? I'm going to tell y'all this right now. It is very sheer. I'm also going to tell you guys that it is not good as a topper, okay? Because I have it on right now. And I don't see no glitter. Where's the glitter? Where's the glitter? But I'm going to show you guys. This is in the shade Insta Famous. Let us open it up. It's a pretty color. Don't get me wrong. I just wish it showed what I'm seeing on my lips, you know? But this is what the shade looks like here. And I'm going to swatch it. I hope it swatches good. I wish I had my camera, but my battery is dead on my camera. And I was too lazy to wait for it to charge. So, well, I wasn't lazy. I was just waiting for it to charge. And I don't want to wait because I got things to do. So, this is what the shade looks like here. So, it's a nice little champagne-y. I don't know. It's champagne-y. That's what I can say. It's pretty, but I just wish what I see here comes up on my lips, and it just doesn't. So, yeah. All right, on to the next thing. The next thing is, so I told y'all to stop giving me lip liners because I can't. It's nothing I could do with these. Okay, it's a lip liner. I mean, I don't wear lip liners. So, this is from Bodyography. This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidants rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. This soothed yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips.
This is $12, y'all. It's a lip pencil, and it's $12. But okay.
This is in the shade Heatherberry. Swatch it right here so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the shade looks like there. Nice little bubblegum. Bubblegum. Y'all can't even really see it, but that's where it is. So, $12. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing on my thing is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. It is in the shade Matte About It, and this retails for $32. This weightless, skin smoothing translucent powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. This soft powder, the soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines, and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oil and redness, reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is really cute, really cute, real cute. And this is the Powder Room, Matte About It. Let's see this puff everybody's talking about. Oh, it is cute. It's a little cute little powder puff. We have a cute little puff. It doesn't have a scent, so, well, I can't smell a scent right now because it's sealed, so. That retails for $32 if I didn't. And then we have Cosmetics, playing words. Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Detoxify your pores from daily grind with Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. Diatomaceous earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draws out dirt and impurities from your pores. This retails for $30, and it is from the brand Cosmetics. So this is what this looks like. Never heard of this brand. And it's just a charcoal mask. I'll try it. I'll try it on. Nope, it still won't be trying it on. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so is that it? Oh, no, that's not it. I was about to say Boxycharm. Give me my $5 or something. But the last thing in my Boxycharm is the Prodigy palette from Suva Beauty. Now, I was hoping when they brought something from Suva that it was going to be popping. It was going to be colorful. It was going to be bold and beautiful. And then I got this palette. I was like, But this palette is the Suva Beauty Prodigy palette. Suva's Beauty new Prodigy palette is a versatile, warm, and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows. Two brilliant highlighters. This retails for $34. This is what it looks like. And this is cruelty free. I don't know if I said that, but this is cruelty free. And this is what the back looks like. It tells you that it's an eyeshadow palette and stuff like that. That's the back. And this is what these shades look like. It's more not my cup of tea. I was gonna put it in a giveaway, but I guess I'll do a look. It comes with a mirror, so that's good. And then you have these shades right here. This is what the palette looks like. I like the top row. I guess you could do a look with the top row. Then you could do a look with the bottom row. And then you have your 2 highlighters here. So I want to swatch this highlighter though. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's swatch it. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Let's see how blendy. Yep, let's blendy it. This is what the highlight looks like. It's alright. It looks a little ashy. It got a lot of fallout or kickback. Let's try this pinky. This is like a pinky one. We're going to try this one up here. And that is the pinky shade, you guys. So see, it looks a little powdery. I don't know. But if y'all guys want to see a look with this palette, let me know. I'll be sure to get right on that. But the highlights are cool. They're pretty. So yeah, matter of fact, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try the highlighter right now. Okay, you can't have too much highlighter. Never. All right, let's try it with my fan brush. Yeah, it has a lot of kickback, y'all. Okay, the highlight's cool. You don't need that much. And it's on top of my crayon case one, so it's on top. It's a topper. Alright. Not bad on the highlight. See? Alright, so that is it. That is the look. Let me stop. But yeah, this is this month's Boxycharm. Is it my fan favorite? No, I'm giving it 2 boxy boxes. That's it, 2 boxes. That's out of 5. 2 out of 5 boxes. Only because the palette is okay. I like the powder puff thing. I like the charcoal mask and the highlighter. So I'm gonna give it 3. I'll give it 3 boxy boxes. Okay, out of 5. Because those are the only 3 things I like. The lip gloss, I have plenty of them. So that is it for this month's Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you are not, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all new, what's up? Hey, girl. Hey, I see you. Mac. Make sure. Mac. What is that? Make sure you hashtag Glam Doll Gang. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Notification squad. Hashtag that too. But until then, I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. I'm out, y'all.